Welcome back. Today we're gonna do an experiment my cool Aunt Jane in Indiana sent to me. Thanks for this experiment, Aunt Jane, if you're watching. Today we're gonna make fireworks in a jar. You need a mixing cup with water, a jar, a bowl of oil, food coloring, and a fork. You're gonna wanna put your water into your jar 3/4 of the way.
Okay.
I kinda need help so I don't spill.
You got it.
I'll try. Is that 3/4?
Nope, keep going. You could probably use all of it.
I don't wanna spill. But we also don't want to spill.
That's perfect.
Now put 2 drops of each color into your oil.
1, 2. Oops, that's okay. That's okay. Keep going.
Spray a little bit better.
Okay. Okay. What are you doing now?
Stirring.
Just a little stir. That's good.
Pour your oil into your jar.
Okay.
Pour in my oil. Oil? Still not doing it.
Here it goes.
There it is.
Oh my goodness.
As long as,
That looks like 4th of July fireworks show.
yeah. I see blue. What happens when they all hit the bottom?
We'll find out, won't we?
Yeah. Some are coming down. A lot of greens are coming down.
Look at that big firework, guys.
Yeah, I see it. It's about at the bottom. Let's see what happens. It's about at the bottom of the jar. Let's see what happens.
Is this cool?
The blue one! Yeah. The blues are one. The yellows are not coming down in one big group.
Maybe they got mixed up more.
Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to watch more James' wonderful world of science videos, just subscribe to our channel. Bye!